Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a haul of a few things. The first thing, I'm kind of bummed about this. They looked bigger online. They were in a box. I thought they were like the bigger ones that I have, and they're not. They're tiny. Oh God, open. Like number 0 is the biggest one. They're just not as big as they looked and the way it was advertised. So I'm just a little disappointed in that, but they'll do. They're only for like, you know, sticking around, doing collabs and playing and all that crap. So there's that. And then I got this package from LuvNailz, which I've had this for a couple days. I've been waiting for some other stuff to come in just so I could do this. So I did place 2 orders, but they were back to back, so she like jammed it into the other one. So that was the second order. We'll look at that in a minute. Let me get this stuff out. Okay, zoom in a little bit. These are rhombus shapes. I thought they were a little bit bigger. They're not focusing, but they'll do for now. Yeah, so they came in all different colors, but they're tinier ones. That's all right. You can see it on the lid right there. But they're pretty. I don't know, can you see the sparkle? They're really nice. Just a little bit tinier than I expected. And then we have this one, which is called Iced Out. Oh my God, look at, there's a sticker on it. I'm scared to open it. Oh God. I'm just grabbing a tray. Just in case. It seems like there's glitter around the rim. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. Look at it. Oh, so pretty. Shh, let's be quiet. Put it back to bed. So it doesn't spill and run away. So that one had like silvery pieces. And you're gonna think I'm crazy because they all seem the same. Then we got Prism X. This one has like a twinkling of a rainbow in there. Don't know if it'll come across. Is it coming across? Because I can see it. There's rainbows in there. And with the white. Like the white is reflecting all different colors of the rainbow. And that one's called Prism X. And then there's this one, which is called Angelic. And this, you can kind of see on the side, it has like a shiftiness to like a red. You can kind of, I don't know, it's hitting off the lid. I figured these would be pretty for like dip or to sugar with. And speaking of sugaring, I ordered my first nail sugar. Is that the name of the brand? Nail sugar? I don't know. It's where Natalie Mugridge sells her brush, which I ended up scoring. So happy about that. I hope it helps. And the next one is, I don't even know what the hell that says. Something Pixie powder. Yeah, so this one just seems like a white powder. This would be a good one for sugaring, actually. That's just like sparkly snow. It's not coming across. My camera is not doing any justice for these. And I apologize. And then we got Apple Teeny, which is this beautiful green. I don't want to open it because, as you can see, I already got glitter all over my hands. But it's so pretty. So pretty. All right. Open it real quick. Ooh, look at that. And it's kind of like metallic-y. You can see it on the lid. Gorgeous. I'll leave the link to this place down below. It's in the US. And then we have this one called White Gold. Look at the hollow on that. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. When I see these, I just think, yeah, add a little bit of acrylic powder and you got a dip. Oh, God. There's rainbows in that. And I'm afraid it's not coming across. There, you can see it in the lid. I like that it came in pots. Look at my hand. It's so pretty. And the next one is called Sweet Nothing. And this is kind of like a pinky one. Get off the lid. Look at that one. That's gorgeous. It's like the slightest dusty pink. And then you can see, well, maybe you can't, but I can. Like it's not showing up on this one. The rainbow. And then we got this one, which is called Blackberry. And it's kind of like this bluish green. And she sells all kinds of stuff. She sells like glitter bells, acrylics, and stuff. So look at how beautiful that is. The blues and the greens together. Freaking fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. There's glitter all over me. And she sent this. It got jostled around, so a bit of it spilled, but it's in a bag, so it's alright. Sparkly gift from Jess. Some small glitters. I'm not even opening that. That's gonna go. And then she had foils, and the foils were like 75 cents. I don't want to open it because I'm covered in glitter, number one. But I've never seen just a pure black, and I believe this is matte as well. Foil. So there's that one. And then I got the hollow one. It has a certain name. Pixels, I think it's what it's called. The hollow pixels. I got blue pixels. See that one? This is like a green shimmer. And look at this cool green matte. That one. And this kind of half of the rainbow kind of thing. Just basically like greens to blues to purple and pink. I don't know if you can see. I don't want to open them. And then when I said, oh shit, I should have got some more. So I grabbed this one. There's a name for it. I don't remember the name. Pinwheel. This one's called a pinwheel. Pinwheel green. And I got another one of the pixel greens. And I got another shimmery green. And this blue one, but it's a different. It's called Royal Blue, I think. Yeah, Royal Blue. No, this is not Royal Blue. Bullshit. Stop talking. It's called Steel Blue. Because these are the Royal Blues. And that's pretty. And then these are the Steel Blue. That's a shimmer. That's like the oil slick one. And this one is in a Ziploc. It's different than the other ones. But it's the same. And then I got some opal mylar sheets. So you can cut these to the size that you want. It's a pretty big piece too. Yeah, that's folded. It's a pretty big piece of opal mylar. And I got midnight mylar. It's a sheet, but I think it's kind of folded up inside there. And I got lime mylar. And I got hollow mylar. Can't really see it. The camera's not really showing it, but I can see it. And that is all I got from that brand. And I'm going to clean up and I'll be right back and we'll just quickly go through the last thing I got. Okay, now the last thing I got was my order from iGel Beauty. 2 things are missing. I emailed them. I sat down to do this video and I was just going through the invoice. And of course, 2 things were missing. So I got this Easy Ombre Gel in a chrome base. I noticed that another brand, Not Polish, sells the Easy Ombre, but none of them say how to use it. I've searched how to use it. I even sent a DM to iGel Beauty, and it was like, oh, you have to contact customer service. I'm only limited to certain characters. I'm like, what the hell? I got another base and top coat because I like their base and top coat. And I got an extra fine diamond bit, that size. So let's pop these back in. And let me see, I got Screamin' Green, the gel polish and polish duo. I got Fabulous. Again, it's a polish and gel polish duo. Seafoam. Let me pull it out a little. There. Then we got We Belong Together. I have that in the dip. Aim to Please. I have this in the dip. Girl Talk. And this has got a shimmer in it. Might not show up because I just zoomed you out. But there is a shimmer in this one. I got this Purple Rain. Yeah, Purple Rain. Which I got this in the dip as well. I got, let me see, Magic Mint. Pretty green. Yeah, I don't think there's a shimmer. No, I think there is a, yeah, there's a little bit of shimmer in that, I think. Is there? Yeah, because of the band on the gel. Otherwise, it would just be solid. Yeah, so there's some shimmer in this one. And I got Apple Teeny. I have this in the dip as well. That one, and then we got Silent Waters, I think. That's this blue one. I think I might have that in the dip. Twinkle. I know for a fact I have this in dip. It's very pretty. Very pretty. Black Pearl. I have this in dip. It's got a shimmer to it. It's gorgeous. Gray. Christ's sake. Now that I zoomed you out, you can't see. There. And I got Royalty. This is more like a bright light blue, if that makes sense. And Starling. It's like a sparkly purpley blue, a blurple. I might have that one in dip. I have this one in dip for sure. Wicked Love. I was really gravitating towards those fallish colors. And we got Soul Sister. I have this one in dip as well. It's a beautiful, I don't know, red, but a darker red. I don't know how to explain it. Then we got Ruby Slippers. I got this in the dip. It's just sparkle. That's all it is sparkle. And I got the Palace, which is gorgeous in the dip form. I did a mani with the dip along with Princess Jasmine. The 2 that were missing were Shimmering Snow. Right here, Shimmering Snow was missing. I mean, it's on here, but it wasn't in my box. And Chrome On. Chrome On I do have in dip, but I wanted the Shimmering Snow because I didn't have like any whitish colors. So yeah, so that's my haul for today. Today is the 12th, June 12th, I think. Yeah, it's the 12th because it's my granddaughter's birthday, Maya's graduation, Ebony's birthday. So happy birthday, everybody, and happy graduation, Maya. And yeah, so this was my haul. I did contact them, so I gotta wait to hear back from them. But I'm really excited, and I'm glad that I have completed a collection of certain types of colors. And yeah, so tell me what you think about these. Leave me a comment down below, because I will be picking from one of these videos that I post winners for a giveaway. I'm not having a giveaway video. I'm just going to pull. So, what shades do you like? Do you like the bright colors, the fallish colors? Let me know. Comment down below. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. And if anybody knows how to use it, or can find a tutorial on how to use... What the hell is it? Why is that like that? Well, Chrome base is kind of self-explanatory, but easy ombre. What does that mean? Do you put it on and leave it wet? Is it like a blooming gel, and then you put the colors over it and it blends easy, or does it go over? Do you cure it and then? I don't know how to use it. And I've searched on YouTube how to use it, and just ombres come up, not this. And 2 brands now have this. Not Polish and iGel Beauty have them, and neither one of them have any instructions. Not on their website. There's no instructions for anything or descriptions on their website for this brand. I haven't bought from Not Polish, but they have this, and they don't even have a description or any directions on how to use it. And I've searched their YouTube channel and can't figure it out. So if anybody knows, please let me know. Leave me a link down below so I can find it and figure out how to use it. So that's it, guys. I don't want to waste any more of your time. So, you know, do all that YouTube-y crap, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye for now.